Isbell, you have to go. Hey all, welcome back to another mOth copy trading video. So Isbell has not been doing particularly good. Let's have a quick look at what he's been up to, what he's been doing since I started copying him. When there was the February-March dip, I saw he was trading VXX, which is a sort of countermeasure for if the market goes down, then you gain money, you gain profit from that. So I thought, as he's dealing with that and he's aware of that, what it does, that if I started copying him, near when it started dipping down, that's a good opportunity, because he knows what he's doing. He's aware of the countermeasures that you can have, the VXX and so on. What I did not anticipate was that he would keep the VXX open the whole time until now, which has been about 2 months. And that's caused all the issues, basically. Let's have a quick look. So as you can see on the screen here, I actually bought on Hugo after Isbell, and he's at almost 10%. Obviously, I know it can fluctuate and there's all these different things that can come into effect, but still, that's a massive difference compared to minus 1.27. And it stayed at least minus 0.8% the whole time, the whole 2 months. So we click onto Isbell. So if we sort by invested, so the highest amount at the top, yeah, sure, we've got a minus 16% here, which is not good for the Zepp Health Corp. So that's one of the factors why he's not been increasing as much during this rise of the NASDAQ. You've got a few other little percentage minuses here. And then you've got VXX, minus 31%, which is a minus $4. So ultimately, he's closed minus $2, and he's currently got open minus $4. So if he didn't have that VXX open, it would be a much better story. He'd be, I don't know if he'd be in the positive, but he'd be, at least what he has open now would be in the positive. Because he's got open minus $4, and this is minus $4.31. Another thing is that Isbell is sort of losing touch of the communications. The last time he commented was 2 months ago. Which is not good, especially when you're holding open a VXX, which a lot of people, are confused about. If we take a look at his stats, his copiers, you can see they've just slowly been going off. I think that's partially because it's got the VXX open this whole time, whilst the market's just been going up, which is, in my opinion, a bad thing to do. It should only be used in short terms when it's going down, not holding it all the way up. So I mean, you can see his copy is just going off here. So I think there's a correlation there. The other thing is that he's, as I said, he's not communicated in the last 2 months. But more importantly, I basically commented saying, he's got a VXX open. Hopefully he'll sort it out. And then he replied, it's mostly due to gold and silver and crypto. So he's implying that he's bought those and they're going down. And then, so this guy, Robert Lindo, which made the original post here, I noticed this, but the VXX is usually for short term. So he's picking up on this as well. And Isbell confirmed, yes, it is. Not for 2 months whilst the market's going up. It's for new copiers to take advantage of a possible crash. Because they will have not made as many profits, and the price they're getting will be better than mine if the percentage will be the same. So, to me, that's enough to put him on the bench for now. I'm still going to keep him, but I'm not a trader by any means, but that is not sound logic to me, and that's raising alarm bells, to be honest. And I have a guy called Falzix that I've been watching for a long time, and I really want him on my team. I know, I keep closing people, and it's not, doing the whole compound thing and letting it play out for like a year or however many, a long time. We will get there. I'm not going to get rid of Hugo. I'm not going to get rid of Jay. I thought I wasn't going to get rid of Isbell. I mean, ultimately it's a testament to someone's character, isn't it? You don't know them straight away. All you can do is look at the stats and stuff. Isbell's stats was absolutely insane. He had a sense of humor to the post that I gave. He was interacting with me. That at the time was enough. I thought, yes, that's everything I need. Good. Isbell, sorted, done. Let's get him on the team. But to do something like this, which to me is a red flag, it's like, I don't want that anymore. With Hugo, there's not been anything like that. He hasn't been as sort of communicative with me, but it's just fine. He's a trader. He doesn't need to be. His stats and his posts explaining what he's doing, doing what a trader does is enough. So it's goodbye, Isbell, for now. Just like Jazzy and Jace, VXR, you're not going to be forgotten. I'm not going to forget about you. You're still on my watch list, as are they. You said it yourself, Isbell, that you're not a trader. You're not a professional trader. This is like a part-time thing. So no one's sort of blaming you. But everything in my body is just saying we need to swap out for Falzix. Let's have a look at the pending close. Alright, so there's quite a few there. So yeah, right now is 8:15 p.m. So I think in about 12 hours from now, this should be fully closed, and we can add Falzix. Hey, it's now the next day, 10 a.m. And as you can see here, Isbell has now left the building. So let's have a look at Falzix. We're going to copy with 500, copy open trades, and go. Brilliant. So we've got a bit of time before the market opens, about 4 hours, I believe, ish. So we'll see what happens. To be fair, I don't think it truly matters what happens, because my highest amount of confidence is in these 3 people. So I'm aiming not to sort of swap out people anytime soon. I know I said that before. But the more times I say it, the more closer it is to the to the real thing, it seems. Getting closer to sort of the final solid thing until we add more funds and get more people. So, good. Really happy with this. Really good. Good. Cool. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.